Let us check out Danay Pangilinan. Inaming masayang-masaya kay Belle. I'm very happy with where I am at. And ito talaga, itaga nyo sa bato. If Belle and I break up, ayoko na magjowa, say ng aktor. Pag amin ni Pani Donnie, pagod na siya. So, kung sakali mang magtapos ang relasyon nila ni Belle, ay tatanda na siyang mag-isa. Pagod na akong kumilala pa ng iba. But really, I told myself that if this not the last relationship that I will have, I'm probably going to be single for the rest of my life. Chika pa ng aktor. Talaga kasing align ang lahat sa kanila ng jowa niyang si Belle. Kwento ni Donnie, we'll see. Pero kasi for now, it's really my career. Belle, my family, the environment, and the others. I think it's hard to find someone like Belle, same mindset, same values, and someone who's very caring for everything that's around him. Mahirap humanap ng taong makaka-vibe ko with everything na parang in sync kami. And to me right now, it's very important. Pagbabahagi pa ni Donnie, nasa era siya ngayon kung saan kinikilala niya pa ang kanyang sarili. Bagamat naiintindihan niya nga, nagbabago pa ito dahil hindi nagtatapos ang buhay sa isang goal, pero hindi pa yun sukatan kung sino talaga siya. Donnie Pangilinan today is someone who deeply cares about everything that's around him. Siguro ang path ko ngayon is really finding who really am, and I do understand naman that it changes every time kasi hindi naman natatapos yung journey natin sa isang goal na accomplish na natin.